Hi and hello to all the viewers who are watching this video. Today I am going to perform an experiment about recycling of waste paper. So let's do it. For this experiment, first of all you need the waste paper. I am here using the newspaper. You could use any kind of waste paper. It could be a magazine paper or any rough copy paper. I have made these bits of paper by tearing the newspaper. Second thing, you need a big and deep vessel like this and some water.
Now put the bits of paper in the empty vessel and pour the water over it. Make sure that the paper should be completely dumped in the water.
Now I am going to boil this water and newspaper till it gets thick like a paste. Do it carefully.
Take a spoon and stir it.
We have to stir it for 20 to 30 minutes. Look how it is getting changed.
So after 30 minutes the paper mix has been ready and we have to remove all the water with the help of a strainer. After removing the water, it will look like this. Now we have to transfer all this paper mix on a cardboard. Pat a little to flatten the paper mix. The entire paper mix has been gathered here now.
I am trying to make the face of Ganesha. I have made this shape into the paste and now I am going to let it dry in the sun. So after 24 hours, as you can see, this shape has been completely dried and I have made a beautiful Ganesha face out of this waste newspaper. But it needed to be completed. So let's do it. So here you can see I have painted this Ganesha face with acrylic spray color and now I am going to do the detailings of it. So my Ganesha face is ready, and through this experiment we learned that how we can recycle waste paper into good artworks. Hope you liked this video. Thank you.